Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you one more elegant design which you can try on already stitched blouses. This is the pure pattu blouse which I'm gonna design on this. For the designing, we have to give the marking curve shape like this. Curve shape you can mark as per your requirement. That means the size can be increased or decreased, creating the customized pattern. And on this markings, I'll be giving the cut like this. Firstly, I'm going to highlight the neckline. For that, I'd be using gold lace, shimmery lace, also with a stone lace. And the curve shape would look like this. This we have to place it like this and give the markings. This is to show you how the curve shape would look. So, golden lace, I'd be using this one, followed with the stone lace on both the sides. Firstly, I'll burn at this corner. And now placing it on the neckline, I'll give an invisible stitches on it. These are simple running stitches we have to give on the complete neckline. Besides this, I'm gonna apply the glue on both the sides and I'll stick the stone lace. These materials which I'm going to use for this designing is available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. And now place the curve shape from this center part and give the marking of the curve. Now I'll reverse it. In the same direction so that the another side markings will be continued in this. Again, I'm gonna reverse it like this. This is how each and every time we have to reverse the curve shape markings and continue on the neckline. Further extending the design using the chain ball lace and measure it accordingly. All the curve shape will have the same size. So once you measure and cut accordingly, the same size I'll cut it first. Then I'll apply the glue one after another. I'll stick the chain ball lace on it. I'm using the drop shape frames of gold color, and this is how we have to stick it on these curve shapes. Now to the ends of the curve shapes, I'll be sticking designer gold color ring. Also on the leftover gaps, the same rings I'll be sticking. Now that the glue work is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on each and every drop shape frames, also the circular frames and chain ball lace using cotton silk thread and the hemming needle. The designer rings, I'll be also stitching the pearls of 1 mm size. Now in this drop shape, I'll be sticking blue color kundans of drop shape. These are non-stitchable kundans and we have to apply the glue to stick this. And I'm done with this beautiful designing on the neckline. To the another side of the neckline. Really it's heavy and beautiful design with the simple technique of making. This is one of the best example you can try for any colors. The final reflection would look like this. Just to give you an idea, I'll be sharing this. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles and be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.